With the right tools and a little practice, you can safely cut glass or mirror at home. Here's what you'll need. First, prepare a work zone by placing an old rug or blanket over a large flat surface to protect the glass. Next, clean the glass thoroughly. If the area being scored isn't clean, it can dramatically affect the quality of the cut. Now, measure and mark the exact place you plan to make your cut. Then, lubricate the cutting wheel with oil. You're now ready to score the glass. With the cutter slightly angled towards you, slowly move it across the glass, applying even pressure. Continue with a controlled motion until you've reached the end. Then repeat as necessary. Once you've completed scoring, gently elevate the glass. Then, holding both sides of the glass firmly, apply light pressure to break it apart. With practice, you can safely and confidently cut glass or mirror for a wide variety of DIY projects. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.